When I started out at college, I just wanted to get involved in research, and I had Dr. York for one of my classes, and she was a fabulous teacher.
I had been talking about chytrid fungus for at least 10 years in all of my biology teaching. I had mentioned to people knowing what a global disease this was for amphibians, and so I've been talking about it. When I was in Honduras, it was the first time I actually got to see it and sort of understand it and the way that you actually tested for it. So I came back and I thought, it'd be really interesting if anyone has seen, is it around here? I didn't know of any studies. That's when Mariah walked in.
So I went to her and I approached her and I was like, hi, I want to do some research with you. I don't know what I want to do yet, but I want to do something. And then she brought up chytrid fungus, what was happening with all the amphibians. It is a zoosporic fungus, and that means that it's able to swim. And when that fungus gets into their skin, it creates a kind of cyst. But what happens is when amphibians have those cysts in their skin will thicken, it will keratinize, and that will make it very difficult for them to exchange fluids and gases between their skin and their body.
We took our DNA samples out of the field. We had a specific control sample that was a positive for this particular fungus. So when we analyzed it in the lab, we were looking, does anything match up with this real control, which we got from the University of Maine Chytrid lab. So in fact, 2 of our samples did match up. We knew it was this specific fungus.
So I think after SNHU, I'm definitely going to be doing my internships this summer. So I'm going to be working with the Merrimack County Conservation District in Concord, doing lots of different kinds of conservation work and natural resource education. And then I'm also going to be working with the Department of Environmental Services as a wetland sampling intern. And I'd also will be looking to do volunteer work for the New Hampshire Fish and Game.